Today, I will show you how to hide content from homepage only or entire website. Go to your WooCommerce dashboard and then click on the WooCommerce Hide Post plugin. It will direct you to a new page where you can view different post types that you want to hide. Ensure post visibility is enabled for posts along with their bulk and quick edit options. Next, go to the Posts section to view a list of available posts. Here, I will demonstrate post named The Future of Software Testing for Post Hiding. Let us view the post on front end. You can see it appears on its direct link as well as under latest post on front homepage. Now, let us hide it from homepage by checking Hide from Front Page on the back end and updating the changes. Let us refresh the front page, and you can clearly see the post isn't visible under latest post section. Now, let us hide the post from entire website by checking the option All Check from the Post Visibility section. Click on View to get to post link directly, and you'll see no post is available for that link. Moving to Search to look for a specific post. Write post name in the search bar, and you will see a message saying, "Sorry, but nothing was found." Also, have a look at the front page where you can see post cannot be found. Thanks for watching.